To thine own brick be true, or risk the wrath of the mighty golden stud. To thine own brick be true, or risk the wrath of the mighty golden stud. Come on, Jack. To thine own brick be true, or risk the wrath. Damn.
Jack, it's a rehearsal, not the Oscars.
What? No.
Dial down the voice effects.
What in the hell? Are you the one using up all the goddamn voice effects?
Wait, I can explain.
I'm gonna get to the bottom of this.
Damn it.
I tried to warn him, Chief. I told him, Jack, you're overdoing it. But did he listen? Nope.
Art demands sacrifice, Sally. The people deserve greatness.
Jack, you're gonna apologize to the people of Brixton for your silly actions.
My fellow citizens, I've been reckless. I squandered all of our special effects in an attempt to bring you the highest form of art. You see, Chief, art isn't just about what you see. It's about what you feel. A single foghorn can ignite the soul. A cymbal crash can awaken the imagination. And yes, even a car alarm, obnoxious though it may seem, adds a symphony of earth.
Enough!
Ouch.
Say goodbye. You're going to prison.